Hey guys, welcome back. We are into the wiring now on it. We started off with the ignition here. This is the old one. We ended up having to not use it because it doesn't ground out when we turn off the ignition. Because right here, where it's supposed to be a post, there isn't one to let it ground out. So we ended up having to use the one that comes with the motor from Harbor Freight. And we have everything all crimped up together right here. And we tested it to make sure everything is all done correctly with this test light here. So if I were to turn this one hand, if I can. I can't get it to turn. There you go. It spins the motor over. So hopefully next part will be this thing running. Unless we run into more issues, so you guys will find out. Ignition is now put back in its box and wired all the way over and down to the motor, and everything works perfectly fine.
Hey, welcome back. Got everything wired up, cab bolted back down. We were gonna do everything in part 3 here, with it running and driving, but I had to order some exhaust parts and they're just not getting here. As soon as they get here, there will be a part 4 of installing the exhaust and actual driving and it doing something. But for right now, we're just gonna fire it up and show you that everything's working.